Hello, seventh graders, and welcome to your third trimester Module 1 spelling class. And this has been quite an interesting year. It has been difficult, and you're still here, you're still working hard, and I'm super proud of you. In today's spelling class, we're going to be dealing with the difference in pronunciation between the present and the past tense in regular verbs. But before we do that, let's go over some basic ground guidelines. Please remember, when you send me your audio recording with your assignment, do not give me the long introduction. All you have to say is, hello, my name is Peter Robertson, and then immediately you start reading the words. Do not say good morning, teacher, because you don't know if I'm going to listen to this in the morning. Do not say, I am going to read the words. No, do not say that. No. Just say, hello, teacher. My name is Peter Peterson, number 1, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's really important. And I'm going to have to start removing points for those of you who are not following this instruction. This is extremely important because you need to follow instructions. Okay, so apart from that, also remember to pay close attention to the pronunciation in the video. I know a lot of you already speak English, and that's wonderful. But even if you're a native speaker, you can always check, double check, use your dictionary, use Google. I do it, and I've been speaking English from the time I was born. So don't feel that because you speak English or you think you speak English, you're not supposed to use Google or not supposed to listen to a video or audio recording. Still do it, okay? If you have to watch the video more than once, do so. Now, I have noticed that some of you, you're probably not watching the video because I say one thing and you say something completely different. No, that's not gonna work. You need to pay attention to what I'm saying because your grade depends on it. And remember something very important. Education is about changing. Once you've thought something and then you get educated and you change. So education is about changing. So if you have to watch the video more than once, there's no shame in that. It's okay. If you have questions, watch the video again. That's okay. There's no problem in that. Let me share my screen with you and let's get right into this. So when we're changing a regular verb into the past tense, the pronunciation of the new verb changes, of course. The way the ED is pronounced is going to depend on the last letter in the root verb. And what is the root verb? The verb in infinitive or the verb in the present tense. So here are 4 examples for you. Pay attention to these examples. They're going to give you a lot of information. The root verb is ask. When I change that into the past tense, I add ED and it becomes asked. I have to pronounce the ED like a little T sound. So I don't say ask, ask. No, it's asked. She asked me for my phone number. She asked me for my book, asked. Then we have the second example, which is grab, grabbed. Notice the change. In the first one, the word ended with the letter K. So I made a little T sound, basically because it's hard to go from K to D. So it changes into a T. But in the second example, grab, grabbed, I make the D sound. I do not say grabbed, just grabbed. In the third and fourth examples, we have a word, a root verb ending in the letter T and ending in the letter D. When that happens, I have to pronounce the ED. So paint becomes painted or painted. And bud becomes budded or, well, budded. Okay, so why do I add an extra D to bud and an extra B to grab? That's gonna be, we're gonna do that in another class. Right now, let's just focus on the correct pronunciation. So whenever the root verb ends in the letter D or the letter T, you have to pronounce the ED. Paint becomes painted or painted, bud becomes budded. So let's look at our list of 12 words. We have pad, padded, want, wanted, wait, waited, select, selected, start, started, trouble, troubled, snore, snored, type, typed, warn, warned, wink, winked, yell, yelled, encourage, encouraged. And this last word is not encourage. I didn't say that. I said encourage and encouraged. Very careful with that. So let's go over these words one more time. Pad, padded, want, wanted, wait, waited, select, selected, start, started, trouble, troubled, snore, snored, type, typed, warn, warned, wink, winked, yell, yelled, encourage, encouraged. And also be careful with number 11. I did not say gel, yell, 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 yelled. And one more time. Pad, padded, want, wanted, wait, waited, select, selected, start, started, trouble, troubled, snore, snored, type, typed, warn, warned, wink, winked, yell, yelled, encourage, encouraged. So you're going to send me an audio in which you're going to say, hello, teacher. My name is Mary Johnson. Pad, padded, want, wanted. You don't even have to say number 1, number 2, number 3. No, you don't have to say that. If you want to, that's fine. What I don't want you to say is the whole, today I'm going to read to you the verb. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Read each word slowly and clearly. Send me that in an audio recording, and that's all that you need to do. Thank you so much, kids. I'm super proud of you. I'm super proud of the work that you're doing. Some of you are like really moving forward, really doing your best, and that's admirable because 2020 has been a weird year. So see you next time. Bye-bye.